Hello friends. Accept my warm welcome to another informative video tutorial. We are going to learn how we can move your precious emails from Windows Live Mail that is no longer in use to Outlook on any other computer. As you know, Windows Live Mail, the free email client from Microsoft, is no longer available. Also, there is no technical support. So, the best option is to move to advanced email clients, like MS Outlook. There is a direct method to export emails to Outlook using Windows Live Mail itself. After you open the Windows Live Mail, you can start by clicking the File option. Then click Export Email, and then select the first option of Email Messages. Now, the first option is Microsoft Exchange. You need to select it, and then click Next. The export message will clearly mention that it will export messages from Windows Live Mail to Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft Exchange. Click OK. Select the mail folders you want to export from Windows Live Mail. You can select all folders using the first option. Using the section option, you can specify the folders. Finally, click OK. Choose the Outlook profile in which you want to save the exported messages. Then click OK. The export job starts instantly. The email data will be exported to the Outlook account, where you can use it instantly after completing the process. Now, we will describe a different method. If you are aware of the location of the Windows Live Mail emails, then you can find all the emails in the YAML file format. By default, the location is on your screen. Now you only need to drag and drop emails to export all the messages to Outlook. That's how you can export the Windows Live Mail emails to Outlook. To move to Outlook on another computer, you can move the Windows Live Mail email folder to any other computer using an external device. Then you can just drag and drop emails to the Outlook application on that computer. However, many Windows Live Mail users prefer professional tools Kernel for YAML for this purpose. This tool converts Windows Live Mail YAML files to PSD files to facilitate Windows Live Mail to Outlook migration. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel to view more such videos. You can also visit our website to know more about our software. Have a nice day.